friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Halloween Mario. So we're going to get started right in the center. We're going to start by drawing in a nice big sideways oval for his nose. Let's draw in the eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to flip over on the left, replicating that. And then from the center, stepping over on the side, we're going to arch this line up, connecting that down on the side corner. And then we're going to do the same as we flip over on the left-hand side, replicating that. Let's draw in the eyes now. So we're going to start over on the left-hand side and we're going to curve this line around and then in. We're going to do the same on the right-hand side, closing that off. Now let's move down. We're going to again arch this around and in towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to add in a highlight. So right on the top here, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. We're going to do the same on the right. And then we're just going to color this pupil in black. Let's come up and draw in our eyebrows. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line up and over. We're going to do the same on the left. And then from that point on the bottom, we're just going to curve this back around and through on the side. Let's move down and draw in the mustache. So on both sides, we're just going to curve this line over and out towards the side. Now from here, we're going to curve this around and in. Again, from that point, we're going to curve this back down and through towards the center. And then again, we're going to arch this around and then in towards the middle. Let's move underneath for the mouth. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's curve this line across towards the right hand side. Now let's close off the head. So we're going to draw in the pumpkin on the top. So we're going to curve this line across. We're going to come out on both sides, drawing in a diagonal line coming over towards the side. And then from here, we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal towards the bottom. We're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve the cheek around. So we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the center, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close the chin off with a curved line from left to right, bringing this over and through on the side. Let's draw in the hair underneath. We're going to curve this line down, over, and then through. We'll do the same on the right, bringing this down, over, and across on the side. Now from the corner on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. We're going to do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to curve this line in towards our eyebrow. And then we're going to bring this line across and over on the right. Now from here on the side, let's draw our diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then from the corner here, we're just going to bring this line around and then down on the side, blending that in towards the cheek. Now let's close off the pumpkin on the top of the head. So we're going to start with a small arch line right in the center. Stepping beside that on both sides, we're going to curve that out and across. On the top, we're going to draw two diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Now from here, let's close off the side of the pumpkin head. So on the cheek here, we're going to curve this line out. Let's close off the top. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in towards the bottom. Now let's move up. For the nose, we're going to draw in a straight line across, and then we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, creating a triangle, connecting that at a point. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the middle, and then we're going to do the same thing on the right, creating that 3D effect. Let's draw in our eyes. So again, we're going to draw in a straight line on the left-hand side. We're going to flip over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's create our triangle again. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up towards the center on both sides. And then now on the left-hand side, let's draw a diagonal line coming in. We'll draw our diagonal line coming down on the right. Now let's close off the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and down. Do the same thing on the right. We're just going to end that at the same height. In the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's move up here. We're going to draw in a small circle, curving this around and through on the right. On the right hand side, we're going to arch this line out. We'll do the same thing on the left, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up on both sides. And then we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this around and then in towards that circle in the middle. And then we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out on both sides. On both sides, we're going to bring this around towards the top corner. Let's draw in a circle on the right and left hand side now. Let's bring this line up and through on the inside. And then we're going to come across on the bottom and just arch this line through towards the side. Let's come down and draw in the legs. So on both sides from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same height. And then stepping over from that corner on the outside, we're going to curve this back down. Now from here on the inside, we're going to arch this around, up, and over. We'll do the same on the left. And then now from that corner, we're going to bring this back up, down, and then through towards the middle. Let's close off our feet. So on the back here, we're going to curve this line over and across, just extending that past our leg on the outside. And then from here, we're just going to close this off by arching this around and then in on the side. Let's drop down now. We're going to bring this line over and then back up on the right. And we'll do the same on the left, bringing this down, across, and then through towards the middle. And then stepping behind, we're just going to bring this around and back through towards the back of the shoe. Let's move up and draw in the arms. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. We're going to drop down, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Let's move over now. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. Do the same on the left. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this over and down. Now let's come across. We're going to arch this line through. And this will be the base of where our fingers are going to line up. So we're going to start on the back here. We're going to curve this around and in for the pinky. Let's close off the bottom of the hand now. So we're going to arch this around and through, leaving a gap where the thumb and the palm meet. Let's close off the wrist now. So we're going to bring this line up, extending that down, and then back through on the bottom. We're going to do the same on the top. Let's continue to close off the fingers now. So in the center, we're going to arch this around, back in. And then moving up again one more time for that pointer finger, we're just going to bring this over and through towards the side. Now let's come down for the cloak. On the back here, we're going to curve this up and out. From that point now, we're going to curve this around and down. And then again, we're going to curve this up and in towards our leg. Let's move down in the center. We're going to curve this through towards the middle, bringing this up and over on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Halloween Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.